Now you will see how simple it is to build the new MSH150 soldering head on a standard robot. To connect the soldering head, we have on one side the communication port, the power connector, and the pneumatic tube. And on the other side, we have a mechanical interface which is compatible with several robots found on the market. At first, we need to put the mechanical interface in the right position. Now we need to connect the soldering head to the mechanical interface. As you can see, this was really simple. Now we need to fix it. Now we will connect the pneumatic tube, as so. Now we will connect the power connector. And then the communication port. We just finished teaching the points, and now you will see the head working to see the final result.